spool of plastic spinning round and round, making cool robot noises, it's a funky sound. Feeding through the tube, getting super hot. Gonna print a little boat, ready or not. Slice it in the software, send the G-code down. Gonna print a little boat, ready or not. Slice it in the software, send the G-code down. It is the coolest little factory in the whole darn town.
Two-step pushing modeling, yeah, that is the name. Building up plastic and the nozzle goes left and the nozzle goes right. Printing a dinosaur long into the night. Keep that hop sticky so the toes do not peel.
Cooling fans spin down, the print bed is chill. Pop it off the glass plate, oh man, what a thrill. FDM magic from a screen right to my hand. The funkiest little plastic maker in the land.